Greetings and salutations. It's Carla from MooreTalkJa. Why my hair will not fall in line? Anyway, we cannot about that. Alright, so this post that I'm about to do right now started out as the intro to a poem, but I think it's something that I want to talk about on its own. So you oh, you know, you're not gonna know. I'm doing 1 week without eyeliner. Sound like a small thing. Yeah? Sound like a small thing. And it sound like, why is she even telling us about this? 1 week without eyeliner. And the reason I'm doing 1 week without eyeliner is this. I got to a point where I could not actually find myself cute. I'm a struggle for find myself cute, period. But I couldn't find myself cute without eyeliner. I used to look at my eyes without eyeliner and think, oh, them small and them sinking and them just look like two little something where you see a stare upon you out of bush in the night time, all them type of something there. I didn't used to think about my eyes like that before I started wearing eyeliner consistently. And I started wearing eyeliner several years now, but I've like in the past couple of years, it's gotten to a point where I'm just always in liner. And then because of the type of liner that I use, I always have the outline of the liner around my eyes. And my face is very rarely bare, right? But I've been thinking about it and I've been doing some reading. And I realized that it's a thing that they tell you, right? That beauty is a thing that is additive. You add things to yourself to make yourself beautiful. You're only going to have 1 and 2 women in the world who are going to embody what is true beauty, and the rest of we have to go work feed. There's an actual name for it, right? It's called the beauty myth. The rest of we have to work feed, so we have to make sure so we diet and we have to restrict ourselves and all of them something we have to do. We have to add things to ourselves to make ourselves pretty, right? This a gross over the simplification of the thing, but I'm taking the part of it that matters to what I am doing now because I'm selfish. So you need to add things to yourself to be beautiful, and I kept on adding things to myself to be beautiful. So I used to add eyeliner, I used to add all of them type of stuff there. So I'm not doing that for a week because I think it's time that we come to terms with what we look like and we learn to find beauty with what we look like. This is the raw material that we are given. There is nothing wrong with it. We need to stop apologizing for it and just love up the self the way we are. So it seems simple, but I encourage you to think about your own behavior and what it is you could not leave the house with. For many people, it's lip gloss. For many people, it's eyeliner. For many people, it's mascara. I find for people, a lot of people, it has to do with the eyes, like outlining your eyes. For some people, it's their earrings. So like right now, I'm just going to take out my earrings, right? I don't generally go anywhere without my earrings, and you don't necessarily see me vlogging without my earrings. So this is what my face looks like. This is my plain, honest to goodness face. No makeup, no lip gloss, no liner, no earring. This is what I look like when I wake up in the morning. And I think everybody needs to have a moment where they look at that person and recognize that that is a person that they can take on the road as well. That person can go to the supermarket. That person can date. This is not a thing that you say for people who you have fooled with your makeup covered face for 6 months, and now they actually get to spend the night, and you don't get up in the middle of the night and go and brush your hair and pick out the mat out of the corner of your eye and put on like a lip gloss because, yeah, when I sleep, I wake up naturally with my lips shiny and my eyes popping. I don't. These are things that we do to fool you because we don't come to terms with our own face. So, you don't have to do it right now. You don't have to do it at all. I'm just a girl that's ranting on Facebook. But what I'm saying is, this thing that we have, this understanding that we have of what beauty is, it's not real. Because when you think about it, what is beautiful rarely looks like you or the people around you. It's an idea that they've created to keep on selling makeup products. It's an idea that they've created to keep gyms in business, to keep liposuction people in business. It's an idea that they've created, and there's an economy behind it. There's money that's being made around telling women that they're not beautiful the way that they wake up. And if you want to continue to do those things and use those things, next week I'm going to go back to wear my eyeliner. I'm going to put these earrings in as soon as I walk out of the house. But it's for you to know and begin to gauge and temper where you fall and what it is that you actually want to do versus what it is that you're doing without even thinking about it. To just think about yourself and the ways that you are being in the world. Sometimes you just have to come barefaced with it. So that is my rant for the day. Look at yourself in the mirror. There is nothing wrong with you. Those 5 million people, or the 500 people who weigh 105 pounds, who have all type of skin color, so they're giving you the impression that everybody across the world look like that and it's only you can manage to look like that. They went across the world and handpicked all of those 500 models from those various continents and communities who look like that to give you that impression. The model mother don't look like that. The model sister don't look like that. And this is nothing against models. Some of my friends are models and I love them. But please understand that your body looks the way it does because that's the way your body's supposed to look. If you want to change it, change it. But there is nothing fundamentally wrong with your body. That's a way that bodies are allowed to look, if only by virtue of the fact that your body look like that and you are real. You know what I'm saying? So just go easy on yourself and just be honest with yourself and be honest with the world about who you are and how you look, and I could take it from there. So peace and chicken grease. Bye.